Okay, so if you're seeing this example, then the first video wasn't terrible. I'll try to make this one a little bit more brief. 631,183. The one in the thousands place, that's this guy right here, is blank the value of the one in the hundreds place. That's this guy right here. So again, what I'm asking myself is how many steps did it take to get from one of those places to the next? How many place values did I move? Well, just one. I just moved one place. Now, as I mentioned in the previous video, the answer to all of these kinds of problems is going to start with a 1. That represents the number we're starting with. I took one step, so I'm going to add 1 0. That's all. I'm done. The one in the thousands place is 10. Sure, that's a 10. Times the value of the one in the hundreds place. There, that's better. I took one step this way to this way. Now, one thing I do want to point out that does end up being pretty critical to this is which order the words in the problem are in. If the words in this one were reversed, if this said the one in the hundreds place is blank the value in the one in the thousands place, we'd want to make sure we said 10 times less. Really, the best way we could say this is 1/10 as opposed to 10 times less. They mean the same thing, but students haven't learned yet what 1/10 is. So for the purposes of these problems, the one in the hundreds place now is one step to the left, 10 times less of the value of the one in the thousands place. Students know that if we're going this way, it means we're dividing or we're getting into smaller places, so we're dropping zeros. And that if we're going this way, we're multiplying, we're adding zeros. And how many zeros we lose or how many zeros we add is how many steps we take. I hope this helps. If we're still stuck, if you need a little more help, if the student needs a little bit more help, please just let me know.